Hey, everybody. Charlie Houck, president, founder, lead trainer, problem maker, problem solver at Growth Dynamics. Here for another Fast Tip Friday. Hey, look, it's summertime. We're all trying to get outside and have a lot of fun, enjoy the warm weather. You know, it's why we go to work. We go to work so that we can celebrate the weekends and take advantage of all our success and see our friends, see our family, maybe just chill. And so, like Friday is Fry-yay. Yay, it's Friday. Let's get out and have some fun. But here's what I really want you to think about next week and the week after and the week after. Don't make Fry-yay just a point of survival. Make it a point of celebration. And when I say make it a point of celebration, have your list of things you have to get done, priorities that have to be kept and met, and successes that you want to achieve each week so that when you get to that moment where you can throw your junk on your desk, lock up your computer, turn off the business numbers on your phone, or whatever it is you do to set that it's my time in motion, I want you to really be able to celebrate Fry-yay, I got my stuff done. Make it a point to know what the definition of success or failure is every week so that you can rightfully enjoy all of it because you've earned it. Not just because you made it through another 5 days of whatever it is you were trying to get done. So I love Fry-yay. In fact, at my age, I'm taking Thursday and Wednesdays and Tuesdays when I can. But when you're still working on the Fry-yay program, earn your Fry-yay every chance you get and celebrate it like a monster. Be your best, make the most, enjoy your success. Fast Tip Friday this week. Go get it next week.